Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got some freebies for you, so get ready. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got some freebies for you to check out. Now, the name of this watch face is called Arcade Analog and Digital Watch. This one is very nice. It's a 24-hour watch face. Very nice look. Even the analog is a 24-hour. Now, I'm liking the look. It's a basic look. If you come down to the bottom, you get the day of the week, you get your month and your date, along with digital 24-hour time. So for those of you all who are into military time, this watch face definitely is for you. Now, it's not an interactive watch face or anything like that. You can't tap on the screen or go anywhere. But still, at the same time, it really has a nice look. Even in the always on mode, it looks good. Now, considering that it is free, I'm going to say it is worthy of a download. Check it out. Number two is nice. This one here is by the same developer that made number one. His name is called Arcade Watch. Now, the name of this watch face is called Arcade Claver Watch 12-hour colors. Now, you're going to get 10 colors in all to customize to. We'll show you that in a few minutes, but I'm liking the look of this analog and digital watch face. Now, in the always on mode, I really like the look in the AOD. Looks really nice and sleek. And when the watch face is on, what I like most about it is this little 8-ball look, right? So that's going to give you your date. You got your digital time dead center. Again, you do get analog along with it, and I like the way it's blended into the watch face, and you get your date right over here in this color, in this corner. And you can customize the color, as I said, just single tap, and I love a single tap. Now, this video may not do it justice, but we're going to cycle through all the different colors that this watch face has to offer. That one's nice. Check out some more. Now, considering that this is free, this is definitely worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. What do you think? All right, you all, that's it for this watch face. Let's check out watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. Now, number 3, this one is nice, basic, but different. I thought I'd bring you something unique for the weekend, just in case you feel like flexing. The name of this watch face is called Dragon Face Digital Watch. Now, this is a 12-hour watch face. It's very nice. I like the design of that dragon. You're going to get a nice look in AOD mode, digital time. I like the font. When the watch face is on, I like the art. It's very creative. You get your battery percentage at the top, your month and your day, and of course, you're going to get your digital time and big bold numbers. I thought this was definitely a great find. Again, this one here is also free in the Gear Manager store. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And listen, guys, the weekend is almost here. Just trying to get you ready. Listen, download right now. I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.